Boop! Hey and hello everybody, welcome back. Another exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. I am BLG, I am lefty, and I am righty. Today, we're going to play around with the food processor. It's my thrift store one. You can see the test on it on Hands On with BLG. Thank you, thank you. We're going to try to make peanut butter. I keep seeing this stuff online. I first seen it about a year or so ago. Got some roasted peanuts. Okay, I'm going to put them in here. This ought to be good. Something about like that, right? I'm going to put them in here like that. And put the lid on. It says put the lid on. Put the lid on at BLG. And it says we put it on high, and we're going to pulse it for 30 seconds at a shot. Let's see what happens. Let me see if I can turn this so you can see a little better in there. Can you see in there? What if I zoom in? Which one's zoom in? There we go. I'm going to pulse it for 30 seconds at a shot here and see what happens. I don't know. I'm just trying to make peanut butter. Pulse. Okay, there's 30 seconds. Starting to crumble. Says to hit it again. Alright, there's 30 seconds more. It is starting to break down, folks. I'm going to get, I thought I was going to get, I still thought I was going to get, where the fuck did they go? All my little screws are missing. Hang on. There's a little blue one. The other one's gone. No clue. Anyways, I'm going to pop the lid off here. I want to poke it around a little bit. Oh, it's starting to get creamy like. Starting to get wet and feeling. You know what I mean? Oh, get back on there, blade. Don't come up. Not want to hold the blade down, BLG. Never done this before. Just wanted to see if it works. Smells good. There we go. Let's keep pulsing. Okay, well that's like, what? 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 90 seconds, minute and a half. I'm going to keep going. We're getting there. It's starting to make a ball, see? We're starting to get peanut buttery. Check it out. take the lid off and take a look. That's peanut butter. I'll be damned. I'm going to go get a little jar and we'll put it in there. Look. That's peanut butter. Huh. Who knew? Zoom out. I'll be right back. I'm going to get a jar and put it in a jar. I'll see you in a minute. Well, folks, there you have it. Made a little jar of peanut butter for LEG to Mama. Look at that. It's good, too. So, yeah, it does work. That's pretty cool. Made peanut butter from peanuts. That was just a jar of Planters unsalted roasted peanuts. So, there you go. She can have this. It doesn't have all the carbs and added sugars and stuff that she can. It has a little bit of added sugar, but it's at a level where she can eat it. Hippie food, the health food hippie diet. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick little episode. I did. It was fun. Little science today. Science. So, for Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty, and I am Righty. We'll see you in the next episode, which actually might be... I've got some linguine drying on my little pasta rack right now. Tomorrow, we're probably going to oven can that shit. So it should be interesting. Yes, oven can, dry pasta. Yeah, watch. We'll see. Another experiment. Goodbye, everybody. We're up to 81 subscribers. Thank you, guys. You know who you are. Thank you so much. Getting some more views on the games and all that stuff. I appreciate that. Yes, yes, yes. Hit them like buttons. Don't forget. Subscribe if you like. Pass on the word. Peace out, people. Peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around.